Hey everyone, it's Laura Laws, and today's video I'm going to share my tips and tricks and what worked for me for losing 20 pounds. So I lost 20 pounds from January to Memorial Day last spring, winter spring, and I just found 4 things that really worked for me and made it pretty easy to lose the weight as long as I did those things. Of course, I had off weeks, but I had a couple people reach out and ask me how I did it, so I wanted to share with you, so maybe some of these can help you. But first, what I'm gonna do is go over those 4 things, just like tell you what they were, and then go in depth a little bit in each of the 4 things. So this is not sponsored, but this company, IDOO, I-D-O-O, reached out to me. They have a smart body composition scale, and it is Bluetooth, and it tracks your weight and also your body composition, which is really cool. And you put in your gender, age, height. So it kind of tells you your BMI and all of those things about keeping on track. So they reached out and offered to send me one for free, and I said that would be great, but can we do a giveaway too? And they said yes. To enter the giveaway to win this scale, follow me on Instagram, LauraLaws18, because that's really the only way I can direct message the winner. And then like this video, subscribe to me on YouTube, and then leave a comment below of your favorite tip for staying healthy or if you want to lose weight. And then I will pick a winner in a week from when the video goes up. So the company is offering 10% off discount code. So I will put that below. I'm not seeing it right now. So the scale tracks 13 measurements with Bluetooth. So the 4 things that worked for me for losing weight was 2 of them were technology, and then the other were diet and exercise. So the 4 things are an Apple Watch, an app, diet, exercise. So I got this for Christmas last year. I have 3 different watch bands. I really like this one. It's like a leather bracelet. But I also have a sport one that I use probably to work out more. So the reason why I love this is this really got me motivated to exercise. And so the exercise portion was I do HIIT workouts. And I did those probably 5 or 6 times a week, and you can track your calories through the Apple Watch. So my goal was to do at least 300 calorie burn, and then to, sometimes I would do like 4 or even 500 calories because I would get so motivated, and she's a really good sleeper. So during her naps, I would work out. It actually worked out better when she was on 2 naps a day. Now that she's on 1, it's harder to find the time. So with the Apple Watch, you go in and, let me see if I can show you this. So this is the customizable face that I use. And what's really cool about it is you hit it here for the workout and you choose what workout you want to do. So you can do HIIT, walking, outdoor, indoor walking, yoga, or just other, and it will track your calories by workout. And then I have the weather on here. And the other thing that I have on here is my calories for the day. So that is hooked up through the app I use. So just seeing these things like on my watch, on my wrist, helps me to really stay motivated. So the app I use is called Lose It, L-O-S-E-I-T. And what's great about the Lose It app, so what you do is you go in and you put in how much weight you wanna lose. So I put it at 1.5 pounds. So that is 1188. So when you link it up to your Apple Watch, if you do a workout, say it's like 300 calories, that 1188 goes up to 1488, and it shows. And then as you log through the day, I'm not doing it right now because I only do it when I diet. I only log my food when I diet. But as you go through the day, if you have a 200 calorie breakfast, a 300 calorie lunch, that will start deducting it, and you'll see on your Apple Watch how many more calories you have left for the day. And my husband was using this. He lost like 10 pounds, which how annoying is that? Like men just like eat a cracker or stop eating chocolate, drinking chocolate milk, and they'll lose like a pound a day. But he was telling me about it, and I was just like, I have like a 6-month-old baby. I don't have time for that. Like, all right, Laura, make time. You've gained 10 pounds since you've had the baby, because I was shoving lactation cookies in my mouth for like 5 months. That's all I was eating. So I gained like 10 pounds after I had the baby. I was like, you need to prioritize yourself, make health a priority. So I think it was like January 2nd or 3rd, I downloaded the app and I had my Apple Watch, and that really got me going. And the other great thing about this app is that, again, this isn't sponsored, this is just what I did. You can log it through scanning the barcode on the food. And also, like, if you eat the same foods, it's just easier to log. So that's the technology portion. I loved it. I love to track things. I love to see results. And so what I figured out was that I could either have a dessert, like a 200-calorie dessert, carbs, or wine, or like one of those 3 things I could choose for the day if I worked out. So I would get my available calories up to from 1,100 to 1,500 calories a day through exercising, and then that would allow me to have a treat, and then either wine, a sweet treat, or like pizza or something. So I didn't feel like I was denying myself, and I really didn't. And I feel like 1.5 pounds is very conservative to hit your goals. And it was really easy from January to Memorial Day. I hit it and I felt great. And then over the summer, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stop tracking my food. You know, after you do it for 5 months, you start realizing what's working for you, like what you can eat and what you can't eat. And a small thing like 200 calories a day, if you keep that up, you know, it can make a big difference about losing 1 pound or not. So the other thing I did so I'm a vegetarian, so I try to always eat salads as much as possible. But what I did is, I guess I did intermittent fasting. I guess it depends on who you talk to, what that technically means. But basically I just skip breakfast and have coffee with a little bit of half and half. And then when I first started, I could probably make it till like 10:30 or 11, and I would be starving because I had worked out on an empty stomach too, and I would just want carbs. But the more you do it, the more your body adjusts, and I could make it until noon or 1 until I ate. So I would basically just skip breakfast and then either have 1 coffee with half and half, like 14 ounces, or I'd have 2 sometimes, just depending if I was hungry, what I felt like. Food, I basically concentrated on low carb meals, so maybe just like a corn tortilla with like 1 taco, and then healthy fats and lots of veggies as much as possible. But like I said, if I knew I wasn't gonna have a sweet treat or wine, I would have like pizza or something carby if I really wanted it. And you can really listen to your body if you do have these cravings, you can satisfy them, and you just know you like need to do a little workout. Like I would even take her on like a 20-minute walk and burn like 80 calories because we live up a steep hill. And you can track that on your Apple Watch, which is amazing. So I don't know if it's called intermittent fasting. I didn't really have a cutoff time at night. I would try to stop at like 8 o'clock, but some, like on the weekends, I would have like wine at like 8:30 or 9 with like a snack with my husband on the couch watching a movie. So I wasn't really strict about my nighttime. And then some Sundays we would go out to like a diner at 8, 9 in the morning, and I would have breakfast. Maybe like twice a month. So for exercise, I did HIIT workouts. And the thing that I love about HIIT workouts is that not only does it get your heart rate really high and you can do short intensity and then take a rest and recover, but I feel like there's all these small muscles in your body that really like get worked with HIIT workouts. And I just feel like my body feels so much stronger. So I love, basically I did YouTube videos. So Fitness Blender, Lucy Wyndham Reed, is it Hot Fitness, Blog Pilates, she has some interesting workouts. She did like these weird side lunges and side kicks, and you'd be amazed, like if you just get your arms above your heart and then like you kick up high and you use your stomach, like how much your heart rate can go up. There's like low, oh that's another one, Body Fit by Amy. She has a low or no impact or low impact HIIT workout, so there's no jumping, because after a while these HIIT workouts, my ankles were getting really sore because I was doing a lot of jumping. So I found some low impact HIIT with her, so those were kind of my favorites. And then I would say after like 3 or 4 months of doing it, I just create my own workout now. So I'll watch like 90 Day Fiance or Real Housewives or like a YouTube video, and I will do a workout on my own. So 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. I'll just make it up. Sometimes I'll just dance. Sometimes we have a sunken living room with 2 steps. Like I'll do like an old school step workout. And just doing a step workout, you'd be surprised how high you can get your heart rate up. And then again, it like tracks your calories. So you can do whatever you want with an Apple Watch, and then boom, it's like you're at 300 calories after like a 35-40 minute workout, and you had fun and you listened to your body, and I look forward to doing it now. After you have a child, these babies, especially if you breastfeed, fall, and then something else has got some issues, like if you jump you can pee. So I found the workout, oh, Lucy Wyndham Reed had these to lift your breast, like natural breast lifters. You go like this, and then this, and then this, and then you just like squeeze. So you're like working these to give yourself a natural lift in your bust, and I swear they worked. So I would incorporate them into my workout. Like I would do steps up and down the step while doing them, and I try to do those like 3 times a week, so it lifts the boobs. And then the other one for your you know, mom region are these. These are amazing. Or like the ones where you get on the floor and lift your hips. My stomach did not go down, and I'm still working on it. One thing I've been working on is tightening my stomach as I work out or just go on walks, because I did lose a lot of tone in there, but I definitely have a mummy tummy that I want to get rid of. Those are the 4 things I did to lose the 20 pounds. And then over the summer, I just took it easy and wanted to maintain my weight. I've lost like a pound or 2 here, and then I'll gain them back. But we vacationed, and then we hung out on the deck and had like margaritas a lot after baby went to bed. And I just didn't want to put pressure on myself, and I am very happy with myself at this weight. I am feeling like I want to try to lose 10 more pounds, so I think in January I'm gonna get motivated and do that. But I don't track my food anymore since I lost the 20 pounds. That's the one thing I don't do. So for exercise, I will do a HIIT workout. I try to burn 300 calories 3 times a week. And then sometimes I'll do a combination where I'll take my daughter for a walk, and then that's like 100 calories, and then I'll do a 200 calorie HIIT workout. So I try to get that in 3 times a week. I try to do yoga or stretching once or twice a week, and then twice a week I try to just do like a 4 or 10 minute HIIT workout. Just if I, like even with her while she's playing, you can do it. That's what I've been doing as far as exercising. For eating, Landon goes to bed between 12 and 1, and she's on 1 nap a day. So we usually eat lunch around 11:30, so that's when I break my fast, around 11:30, and we eat lunch together. Sometimes I'll have like a snack. I would say most times I have a snack because we eat dinner late around 6:30. I really don't stress or track what I eat. I try to eat as many salads as possible because that's just easy to do. I feel like if I restricted my carbs a little better, my stomach would go down. I feel like I'm a little bloated from carbs. Like, I love carbs. So that's probably something I want to work on in the new year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I might do some videos in January, February when I start tracking food and trying to get 10 more pounds off. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.